Is your PDF too large to upload? Let's fix that. As you can see, my original file size is over 99 megabyte. Head over to smallpdf.com. Click on compress. Click choose file and upload your PDF. Select basic. Click compress button. The site automatically compress your file while keeping the same high quality. Just wait a few seconds. Look at that. The file size dropped dramatically. Now hit download. And your compressed PDF is ready to share. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick office tips.